Welcome back to the class, children. In the last class we have discussed about Chief Executive Officer. In this class we are discussing about Unit 7. We are mainly discussing about the two important topics. One is called electronic voting machine and one is National Voters Day. So this is mainly related to the election topics. Okay. So now first point is, if you see electronic voting machine, so this is a system, children, where we can find the manual ballot has replaced with electronic voting machine. So the manual ballot, before we are using the box, in that box people used to use the swastik symbol and they used to allot besides the name of the political party, and after that they used to fold the paper and they used to put it into the box. But now we can find the electronic voting machines are quietly replaced with the manual ballots. Okay, before we are using the manual ballot, but now it was replaced with electronic voting machine. Now if you see that ballot units in electronic voting machines are mainly records as many as 64 contestant in the same time. What is the importance of electronic voting machine means it can give the results very fast. Okay, and there will be no mistakes in that point. In the olden days when we are using the manual systems, so if any mistakes will take place in that paper, then it will be considered as a rejected. But in this electronic voting machine, no chance of rejecting the votes. Your votes will be safe as well as secure. Okay, so at one time we can find this ballot units will record nearly 64 contestants. As per the instructions of Supreme Court also, Supreme Court has made an instructions because nowadays most of the people are dissatisfied with the political party. So most of the people, when they are dissatisfied with the political party, Supreme Court of India have introduced nota, and only on the instruction which are given by Supreme Court, nota, this is a separate ballot was also implemented, which is called none of the above. If people are not satisfied with any political party, then they can use the nota. Okay. Now Election Commission have introduced VVPAT. VVPAT means voter verifiable paper audit trail. So this is also the Election Commission have introduced one point which is called as VVPAT. Okay, which is called as voter verifiable paper audit trail, whether the particular voter, whether they have voted or not, which can be able to know by using the VVPAT. So children, here we have discussed about electronic voting machine, importance of electronic voting machines. In the olden days when we are discussing about manual voting system, it will take lot of time to get the result. Sometime it will take 1 month or 1.5 months to get the result. But by using this electronic voting machines, the results are getting very fast, speedily and accuracy. Electronic voting systems are replaced the manual voting systems. So before most of the people are used manual voting systems, and now it was replaced with electronic voting systems. Here in electronic voting system they are using a ballot unit, and electronic voting systems have record as many as 64 contestants can be recorded at same time. As per the instructions which are given by Supreme Court of India, because of the instructions which are given by Supreme Court of India in 2013, so nota, a special type of box, a special type of ballot was also introduced in electronic voting machine, which is called as nota. Whenever the people are not satisfied with the political party, they can exercise their vote. Okay, this is one point. At the same time, if you see, the Election Commission have introduced VVPAT, which is called voter verifiable paper audit trail. By this VVPAT, they can able to know whether the voter list were included or not by using this pact. Next, come to the point National Voters Day. Election Commission of India, they have established 25th January 1950. They used to celebrate as a National Voters Day. So in this day they are celebrating as National Voters Day, and to mark, the Election Commission has a foundation day, because in this day only Election Commission was founded, and that's why 25th January 1950 was celebrated as National Voters Day. Every year if you see, the January 25 was celebrated as National Voters Day, and government have decided to celebrate this day as a marks for the foundation of the day. And government, what they will do, most of the government will encourage more young peoples to enroll their political process. So government is encouraging the citizens to enroll their political process. So government is encouraging it. Children, we already know that out of 100% of the people, only 40 or 50% or hardly 60%. 60% will say maximum number of people have voted. But out of 100%, not 100% of people will vote. Okay, and that's why the government wanted that if maximum number of voters will motivate, and if maximum number of voters are motivated, then if they will exercise their vote can make difference. Now most of the citizens believe that the votes can make difference. If the votes can make difference, then what they have to do? They should exercise their vote. In order to make their effective deals and the problems, Election Commission have decided vigorous exercise. They have identified the eligible voters. Election Commission of India have identified the eligible voters. And the main purpose of National Voters Day is to celebrate. Why we are celebrating National Voter Day? The main purpose is to celebrate, and they used to encourage, facilitate and maximize enrollment of citizens. Maximum number of citizens should enroll. Okay, their names. Maximum number of citizens should enroll. Their names. Once again, I'll go forward. National Voters Day. So Election Commission of India, children, already we know, Election Commission of India have established 25th January 1950 as a National Voters Day. So during this day, Election Commission of India was founded. Okay, first time the Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India main responsibility is to conduct the election. Whatever the elections are conducted at central level, state level, everything, the responsibility for conducting elections goes to Election Commission of India only. He is conducting all the elections at central as well as state level. Every year, if you see, the 25th January celebrated as National Voters Day. Every year when we are seeing 25th January celebrated as National Voters Day, and government is decided and they used to celebrate the day. And most of the government is encouraging most of the young peoples so that they can able to enroll in the political party. Most of the young people should enroll their names in the political party. In order to make the effective deals, Election Commission of India decided vigorous exercise. Election Commission of India is identifying the eligible voters and they are recording it. The main purpose of Election Commission is to encourage the motivate and facilitate and maximize enrollment of citizens. Maximum number of citizens should get enrolled in the voting. So what we have discussed here, students, we have discussed about two important things. First one, electronic voting machine, and second thing is National Voters Day. Electronic voting machine, this is a system. Okay, electronic voting machine means whenever if you are conducting the elections, we are using the electronic voting machine, and this electronic voting machine have replaced the manual voting machine. In the olden days, we are using the manual voting machine, but now we are using the electronic voting machine. The ballot unit, electronic voting machines have record as many as 64 contests at a same moment. At one moment, it will record 64 contestants. Next, come to the point. As per the instructions which are given by Supreme Court of India, so they have introduced Nota in 2013. So in 2013, the Election Commission of India, they have implemented a separate ballot that is called as Nota. Nota, why it was implemented by Supreme Court? Because most of the citizens are not going and they are voting. If many citizens are dissatisfied with the political party, to encourage them in the form of voters, even though if the citizens are dissatisfied, then the Supreme Court of India have decided a separate system which is called Nota. If the people are not satisfied, they can exercise none of the above in 2013. At the same time, Election Commission of India, they have introduced VVPAT, which is called Voters Verifiable Paper Audit Trail. From this, they can able to know how many citizens has voted and how many voters were included. Okay. Now next come to the point, National Voters Day we have seen. Election Commission of India, which was established on 25th January 1950. Election Commission of India was established on 25th January 1950, and to mark this commission as a foundation day, 25th January 1950 is considered as a foundation day for Election Commission, because during that day only Election Commission was founded. Every year 25th January was celebrated as National Voters Day. And government decided to celebrate this day because most of the government wanted to motivate and they wanted to encourage the voters. So most number of voters should enroll their names in the political parties. In order to make their effective deal, election commissions have decided a vigorous exercise. They identified the eligible voters. They are only identifying all the voters because the voters are not coming. The Election Commission of India is going, they are creating an awareness. There are forming a group and they are going to, there are selecting some peoples and in the form of group, and they are only identifying the voters. The main purpose of National Voters Day is to celebrate this day, because in this days only Election Commission was formed. At the same time, they wanted to encourage, facilitate, and also they wanted maximum enrollment should be for the citizens. Children, already I said to you that most of the citizens are believing that the votes can make a difference. And if our country wanted to make a development, if you want our country should develop, then we should exercise our votes. We should exercise the votes. Most of the people who are highly educated peoples, we can find they never exercise their votes. Whenever the elections will conduct, they never exercise their votes, because one vote has one value. According to our political system, one vote has one value. The vote can change the government, and if the vote can change government, if the best government will come, then the country also will develop. And that's why here also Election Commission is motivating the citizens that they should come and they should vote. So their vote can make any type of difference, their vote can change the point. So normally we have discussed here in National Voters Day, electronic voting machine as well as National Voters Day. So here in the National Voters Day we have discussed that 25th January, this was celebrated as National Voters Day because during this day, after getting independence, just before giving republic, 25th January 1950, the Election Commission was formed. In this day only the Election Commission was formed. The responsibility of Election Commission is to conduct the elections. Election commissions are mainly appointed by President. His responsibility is many things: preparing the electoral roll, the list of the voters, providing the voter cards, identifying the citizens in the voter list. So there are many functions of Election Commission of India, and issuing the dates and the time for conducting elections. So this Election Commission was not there during the British period. It was implemented after 25th January, and that's why in this day when the Election Commission was adopted, and in this day Election Commission was formed, that's why this day was celebrated as National Voters Day. Children, these are the 2 points we have discussed. In the next lesson we will discuss with a new topic. Thank you very much.